When it comes to competitive gaming, the difference between winning and losing often comes down to the gear you choose. Monitors, in particular, play a huge role in how fast you react and how clearly you see every frame. The BenQ Zowie XL2586X Plus is built for esports players who demand the fastest response times, precise motion clarity, and reliable ergonomics. The XL2586X Plus features a 24.1-inch TN panel with an incredible 600 Hz refresh rate, making it one of the quickest gaming displays available today. This high refresh rate means motion appears fluid and sharp, giving you an advantage in fast-paced shooters, MOBAs, or any game where milliseconds matter. You'll notice smoother tracking, quicker reaction times, and minimal motion blur during high-speed gameplay. BenQ's DyAc technology takes it a step further. Motion blur is minimized even when camera pans or character movement is fast. This makes tracking targets, aiming, and reading in-game action much easier, providing a competitive edge for serious players. Unlike standard monitors, the XL2586X Plus allows every movement on screen to feel precise and responsive. While some might expect 4K or ultra-wide panels in a high-end monitor, this display focuses on performance over resolution. 1080p ensures every frame is processed quickly, minimizing input lag and maximizing frame rate. In competitive esports, speed always outweighs pixel density, and this monitor is engineered around that principle. Ergonomics are a key part of the XL2586X Plus. Its industrial-grade bearing design stand allows height adjustment, tilt, and swivel without sacrificing stability. Long sessions at the desk are more comfortable, and the solid build ensures the monitor remains firm even during intense gaming moments. The included shielding hood reduces glare from ambient light, keeping your focus entirely on the game. Customization is effortless thanks to the S-Switch, which allows instant switching between multiple saved profiles. Whether you have different settings for shooters, strategy games, or streaming setups, you can jump between profiles instantly. Auto Game Mode with XL setting to share further optimizes color, brightness, and refresh rates for a variety of gaming genres, so you always get the best performance out of the box. The design is minimal yet functional. There's no unnecessary RGB lighting, no flashy gimmicks, just a clean, pro-focused look that puts gameplay first. Input options cover everything you need for professional setups, and the durability of the materials ensures this monitor can handle everyday use and frequent relocation to tournaments or LAN events. In essence, the BenQ Zowie XL2586X Plus is built for speed, precision, and consistency. It's perfect for gamers who prioritize motion clarity, fast response times, and ergonomics that support long sessions. Every feature, from DyAc to the S-Switch and shielding hood, is designed with competitive play in mind. If you want to improve your performance in esports and enjoy one of the fastest gaming monitors on the market, this is a device worth considering. The link is in the description for those ready to take their competitive gaming to the next level. With the XL2586X Plus, every flick, every movement, and every reaction is sharper, faster, and more controlled than ever before.